Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For this video, just a quick video to do a comparison on the CPMC device. When I was looking at the devices that they have on display on their website, they've got the 6-inch device. So I contacted my contact of CPMC and I said, what about the 7-inch device? She said, we've received feedback from people saying, it's too big of a device. So I said to, my contact there at CPMC, I said, well, why don't you send it to me? Because I've already got the B6 unit you've sent to me. And what I'll do is I'll provide a comparison between the two, and that then might help someone to make a decision whether they deem the 6-inch appropriate or the 7-inch. So she did. Within a couple of days it arrived on site. So what I'm going to be doing throughout this video is I'm going to be then demonstrating the difference between the 6-inch, which I've been using quite some time, which I love. It's great, it's so easy to set up, it always connects, and the 7-inch, right? So like I said, a short video, but hopefully this helps you all. And also I should mention AJM22 provides you a 22% discount on the devices you use. Thank you to everyone in the past who's used that discount code. It gives me a bit of pocket money. Use that link. At times as well, do they give me a heads up and say, okay, Arch, for the next month or the next 2 months, 25% discount. So just keep an eye on these videos. I will try to make them as actively as possible to ensure that you can get those extra 3%. But AJM22 gives you by default 22% discount. Anyhow, enough waffling of me. So what I'll do is throughout this video, I will demonstrate the difference between the two. And I also would like to share as well, CPMC, from the affiliation I have with them, has generated the most amount of pocket money for me. So I really appreciate all of those who've gone and used my discount codes in the past. I'm now using the B6 6-inch unit, and I'll flip between the 7-inch throughout this short little ride I'm doing. You get the drift. Well, as you can see now, I've got the 7-inch mounted, just changed over from the 6-inch, and from my perspective, this is what I see. I'll see whether or not I can actually create a side-by-side as well to give you the best possible perspective on the difference between the 6-inch and the 7-inch. Now, what I've also done in between changing from the 6-inch to the 7-inch, I've just had my friends sit on my motorbike and get their kind of view as well on the difference between the 6-inch and the 7-inch, and the feedback is quite interesting. They feel that the bezel is quite large on the 7-inch. Yes, the screen is also bigger, but when the motorbike is also turned off, it looks like a massive kind of device. When it's turned on, it isn't so apparent from their perspective as well. I just wanted to get some independent feedback as well. They've also both chosen for the 7-inch screen that they would prefer. Now, the 7-inch screen of CPMC does not cut off any information from the BMW TFT. I can see everything. What my friend has done as well, he's just gone around just to give a kind of like a perspective and a view of sitting on the motorbike of how it looks as well. So I'm just going to add that information here to be able to simulate the difference between the 6-inch and the 7-inch as well. Anyhow, I hope this information is of use to you. Wanted to create this video to give you the best possible information for you to be able to make your choice between the CPMC B6 unit and the CPMC 7-inch unit. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up now. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget the discount code AJM22. to get your 22% discount on these devices. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.